Hey everybody, today we're going to do a review on this VEVOR axle nut socket set. So come on with me, let's jump into this review. So you can see it comes in a nice sturdy carrying case. Let's pop it open and take a look. So here's your VEVOR axle nut impact socket set. It is set up to go on a 1/2-inch driver. So obviously there are 8 sockets there. These are going to be the 8 most commonly used sockets. It's going to range from 1.25 inches all the way up to 1.75 inches. Take a look at the socket. This is the 1.25 inches. Of course you can see that it's a 6-point socket and that it's a deep socket. Going all the way up to the 1.75 inches. Here we've got the 1.25 inches just on a 1/2-inch driver. Very solid. Again, this socket set is great for axle nuts, but it could be used for a variety of different things, whether it's in a home shop, an auto shop, you name it. Very versatile. That's your VEVOR axle nut impact socket set.